So as previously we have discussed about the ICT means like information and communication technology. After that we have studied about the characteristics and components of IT. So today we are going to see the flow of information. So here you can see first of all what is flow of information. Like we can say information transfer of information from one place to another. Transfer information from one place to another by the use of electronics, or you can say and optical equipments. How? So let's see this with the help of examples. So here I am writing the examples. Okay. So for example we can say telephone. Radio, then television, last cell phone. Okay, so telephone here we can in the telephone the information is transferred with the help of electrical wires. Okay, electrical wires. Just only in the telephone the information is transferred from one place to another with the help of electrical wire. While in the radio transmitter, like here the we can say the information is transferred by the electromagnetic waves. Or you can say optical fibers. Why? Because like these electromagnetic waves move in the space, and in the space the electromagnetic waves moves and the optical fiber space. So these radio, television, cell phones are transfer the information from one place to another with the help of electromagnetic waves or optical fibers. Optical fibers, light. Okay, light. So moving towards now we can see the one thing. Here are some main points so that can that say first you can see the electromagnetic no the as the radio waves move through the different layers of earth atmospheres. Okay, radio waves moves and moves through different through different layers of Earth atmosphere. Okay, and the second point, like radio is only move in different layers of atmosphere, and they got reflect, and because they got reflect, so they keep getting bands. Like radio waves always keep getting bands while it through the different layers of Earth atmosphere, and in like I'm writing here gets band, and due to the bending the signals get weaker of these radio waves. Signals gets weaker. Okay, so now second point here we can say let me write here. Microwaves are not reflective in the wave like as the radio waves are reflective. Microwave do not reflect. Do not reflect or do not get bent. Okay, so this is because these microwaves are already used in the communication satellites, so they do not bend. Communication satellites. So the third point here, like now we are going to see how the means like the most important part of the communication system. Like there are three important parts of the communication system. Let me write here important parts. Okay. So three parts of the communication systems are like first we have the transmitter. After we have the transmission channels. Channels. Then last one we have receivers. Let me explain you these 3 points. Okay, here. So here you can see first with the lips the signals are transferred. And signals are transferred. Okay, then these signals are converted into electronic signals with the help of transducer, electrical signals. After that, here we have the transmitter. Transmitter that is also known as antenna. Through those the electromagnetic waves are going further. Okay, then we have right here transmitter. Okay, in which electromagnetic waves are moving forward. So here we have like I'm writing here receiver. Okay, after receiver we have then a transducer. So with the help of transducer, these signals are passed through our air to ear. Okay, so let me tell you once again. These first we have the signals. Signals are going. Signals. Okay, so they will move to the like they will convert into the these are the electronic processes in which the electric signals are transferred. Here we have electrical signals. Okay, after that electronic process like here from the signal these are connected to the electric signal, they go to the electronic processor, so there the processes occur. After that they move like here I am drawing like this to the transmitter. Now transmitter will detect and here we can also say the antenna. Okay, so from the transmitter these electromagnetic waves are moving. Here these electromagnetic waves, I think here electromagnetic electromagnetic waves are going towards the receiver. Here these are electromagnetic waves. Okay, these are going to the receiver. So after receivers, these again electrical signals or you can say electrical signals are going to the transducer. Transducer. So the transducer will convert these loudspeaker. Transducer is basically the loudspeaker. Loudspeaker. After that, these signals, electrical signals, move to our ear. From that, we can hear the sound. So this process occurs how the information is flowing. Now here we have, let me tell you. So first here the input signals are processed by the transmitter. This is the transmitter which processes the electrical signals. Then we have the transmission we can channel. As I told you in previous video, like we were having the transmitter, then transmission channels, then we were having receivers. Okay, so this is the, like we can say, the input signals produced processed by the transmitter, and after that the transmission challenge is basically the medium, like from which medium these signals are passed. Okay, so here medium used to transmit the signals. Okay, then that mediums, like with the that mediums can be wires, you can say optical fibers, cables, or cables. Okay, these are the, we can say, a medium from which the data from the which the input signals are processed. Now here in the other, no, here we can say the signals get weaker. सिग्नल्स ऐसे ही कम होते जाएंगे जैसे हम दूर दूर जाते जाएंगे. The signals get weaker as you get far away from their source. Like from one source the signals are moving, so signals get weaker as we move the further away. Okay, so here we have, after that the receiver, the transmitter receives the output signals. Here again we have the transducer. Here I wrote the transducer, which was what they were doing, the receiving the output like signals. Okay, then so these signals are, we can say, after these signals are going, then here we have the amplify. These signals are amplifying, meaning here the increase in the increase in amplitude of the output signals, so that they can compensate for the transmission loss. Okay, sorry, so they can easily transmit to our air, or we can easily listen that. So this is how the flow of information is moving with different components, like here we have transmitter channels, then receiver. So here the main work, let me tell you about the transducer. Transducer is a device that converts the one form of energy into the other form of energy. This is the energy transformer from one, we can say, form to another form. Okay, so this was today's lecture. Hope you got it something new. Bye bye.